Every day across the United States, advanced agriculture technology helps farmers harvest thousands of tons of fruits and vegetables with incredible speed, precision, and efficiency. Grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and enjoy. Wow, this is what cabbage choreography looks like. In Friesland, 150 horsepower machines from Grimm and ASA lift sweep the fields with precision blades that lift, trim, and polish each head in seconds. Workers ride onboard for final checks while damaged leaves are stripped by automation. Each rig processes 6,000 heads per day, reducing field waste and delivering crisp, high-grade cabbages straight into Europe's supermarket chains. Faster, fresher, and smarter. Artificial intelligence is transforming fruit harvesting with advanced picking robots. Capable of harvesting apples, peaches, apricots, and other fruits, these intelligent machines increase productivity, reduce labor costs, improve fruit quality, and monitor orchard conditions in real time. For lettuce growers, harvest is only the beginning. Once cut from the ground, quality starts declining almost immediately. Preserving freshness becomes a race against time, requiring careful coordination, fast handling, and modern agriculture technology every step forward. Across California and Arizona, farms produce millions of tons of lettuce each year. During harvest, mobile conveyor systems move alongside workers through the fields, reducing delays and helping fresh produce reach the next stage as quickly as possible. It's amazing, broccoli farming just got a glow up. In Murcia, Spain, from November to March, 120 horsepower autonomous harvesters glide through fields, slicing stalks clean at the base with pinpoint precision. Each unit processes 12,000 plants daily, with conveyors moving heads directly to bins. Some rigs include ripeness sensors to meet export-grade standards without waste. Like what you saw, smash that like, hit subscribe, and drop a 1 below to power our next story. Harvesting radishes becomes faster and less labor-intensive with this conveyor belt harvesting system. It gently lifts, conveys, and collects radishes in one continuous operation, improving productivity while reducing the physical demands on workers. In Napa Valley, skilled grape pickers from Zamora, Michoac earn around $200 a day, hand-selecting bunches with care. Meanwhile, a 90-horsepower grape harvester collects 6 tons per shift, with just one operator earning half that. But here's the twist. Machines bring speed, yet hands bring quality. On premium vineyards, both are essential. One preserves flavor, the other beats the clock. This is smart farming, where tradition and technology harvest together. Across California, vast tomato fields stretch for miles, producing more than 10 million tons annually. Most of this harvest is processed into sauces, ketchup, and many foods enjoyed by American families. Unlike traditional farming, most tomatoes are never picked by hand. Giant harvesting machines move steadily through the fields, uprooting plants, separating tomatoes, and processing tens of tons every hour efficiently. Well, now, olive harvesting in Purdue is just leveled up. The Pellenc R5090 unfolds like a smart net, catching every olive mid-air before it ever hits the ground. With a 300-liter capacity and auto-leveling, it works flawlessly with tree shakers, reducing damage and boosting efficiency. Farmers using catcher systems like this can cut fruit loss by 12, all thanks to gravity never getting a chance. Large-scale olive harvesting demands both speed and efficiency. The Oxbow 6420 harvests, cleans, and transfers olives in one continuous operation, handling up to 22,000 pounds per hour while significantly reducing manual labor. Quality comes first in every banana harvest. Each bunch of 8 to 15 bananas is carefully selected and harvested by hand, with every worker collecting around 550 kilograms per day. The fruit is transported in 20 kilograms containers before a 10-minute washing process removes dirt and impurities. Modern agriculture machines then prepare the bananas for processing. Which machine in this video is your favorite? Share your answer below. Freshly harvested bananas arrive at the processing facility, where nearly 500 kilograms are washed before workers inspect up to 3,000 bananas per hour, removing about 5% that fail quality standards. The selected fruit is packed into clusters of 4 to 6 bananas, vacuum sealed, and prepared for storage and transport. This process combines skilled workers with modern agriculture technology to deliver premium quality bananas. And just like that, hops are flying. In Oregon's lush Willamette Valley, machines roll between towering vines, using rotating drums to strip hop cones clean off the stems. Conveyors carry them gently to bins while preserving the oils that define beer flavor. Each machine can harvest up to 1.5 acres per hour, helping local farmers produce over 10 million pounds of hops annually with surgical precision. As farms move toward higher value crops, technology faces new challenges. Apples remain one of America's most carefully managed fruits, with U.S. growers harvesting nearly 5 million tons annually while maintaining exceptionally high quality standards. Despite modern agriculture technology, most apples are still picked entirely by hand. Even a small scratch can reduce value, so workers carefully harvest and place each apple to protect appearance, flavor, and market quality. Just as important is harvest timing. Picking too early or too late can affect texture and taste. Yet apples are not the most delicate crop, as some fruits can be damaged by even the slightest impact. Weed control becomes faster and more accurate with the Damcon cultivator. Available in multiple working widths, it can be equipped with precision finger weeders that remove weeds close to crops while protecting valuable plants. Ah, yes. This is cranberry magic in motion. In Cape Cod, farmers flood the bogs and release harvesters that gently agitate vines, sending ruby red berries floating to the surface. Floating booms corral the fruit into pumps that suck up 100,000 pounds per day with low impact and full flavor retention. Expanding its forage equipment lineup, Krona introduced 3 new rotary tedders with working widths ranging from 9 to 12.2 meters. Designed for efficient crop spreading, they deliver high productivity, simple operation, and reliable performance in demanding field conditions. Unlike delicate fruits, corn is built for large-scale production. In the United States, corn is one of the most important agricultural crops. American farmers harvest more than 360 million tons annually, making the country the world's leading producer by far. Across Iowa, Illinois, and Nebraska, corn fields stretch for hundreds of miles. Modern combined harvesters cut stalks, separate kernels, and load grain simultaneously. A single machine can process thousands of bushels within hours, demonstrating remarkable agriculture technology efficiency. After harvest, the corn is dried and stored in massive silos as tall as multi-story buildings before distribution. Yet not every crop is harvested above ground. Potatoes remain hidden beneath the soil until specialized equipment carefully uncovers them. Instead of cutting or spraying weeds, this machine eliminates them with intense heat. Powered by a 173 horsepower John Deere engine, it generates temperatures of 1100 to 1800 C, destroying weeds within seconds while keeping soil temperatures below 70 C to protect surrounding crops. Boom! That's the sound of power in the field. In Lower Saxony, the Krone Big X 1180, armed with 1165 horsepower, devours whole corn plants for silage. It chops 12 rows at once, producing over 400 tons of feed per day. With built-in moisture sensors and crop flow monitoring, it ensures consistent chop size ideal for fermentation and long-term dairy nutrition. Moving heavy hay bales becomes much easier with the tube-lined bale loader. Designed to handle bales up to 2 meters long and weighing 1 ton. Its hydraulic arms lift, rotate, and place each bale quickly and accurately, improving efficiency during storage and transport. Modern potato harvesters lift crops from underground, separate soil and rocks, then transfer potatoes onto sorting systems. Some operations can process more than 550 tons daily, highlighting the efficiency of large-scale agriculture technology. After washing and size sorting, potatoes move continuously to packing and processing facilities. Yet despite these advances, some high-value fruits remain too delicate for machines, requiring skilled workers to harvest them by hand. Then boom, automation steps in with flair. In Yuma, farmers handpick ripe watermelons and place them onto the harvester's soft conveyors, where rubber fingers cradle each fruit with care. This farmer machine duo covers up to 8 acres a day, ensuring clean, bruise-free melons under the desert sun. Protecting crops becomes easier with the speed sprayer, featuring one of the largest operator cabins in its class. The self-propelled machine combines operator comfort with efficient chemical application, providing consistent coverage across orchards and specialty crops. Harvesting ripe tomatoes becomes more efficient with this advanced robotic harvesting system. Using 3D vision technology, It identifies mature fruit and gently picks each tomato with the specialized manipulator, reducing damage while maintaining consistent harvesting quality. In California, vineyards produce more than 6 million tons of grapes annually. For many growers, grape quality directly influences the value and character of wine. To preserve freshness and stable sugar levels, many vineyards harvest during cooler nighttime hours. This practice helps maintain quality before processing begins. Oh wow! Who knew tulip bulbs needed this much raw power? In Achthausen, Vito Fleur's Earth Eater Super 2 roars through flower fields with 600 horsepower under its hood. Thanks to a modified Ropa Euro Tiger harvester, it lifts and rinses 18,000 bulbs per hour with surgical precision. The Amax EM4 digs, fan spin, and a John Deere 6,530 powers the rinse wagon. Behind it, a convoy of 7,530, 6,150 revolutions, and 6,170 revolutions tractors, each pushing 150 to 170 horsepower, hauls the Bounty and Beco Super 2,600 trailers. Designed for large-scale seed production, the specialized watermelon harvester combines harvesting, crushing, and seed separation in one continuous operation. Processing up to 25 tons of watermelons per hour, it dramatically reduces manual labor while maximizing seed recovery and harvesting efficiency. Maintaining healthy tramlines is essential for efficient field operations. The Agbod tramline renovator restores compacted tracks while preserving the surrounding soil structure, helping improve drainage, reduce compaction, and prepare fields for the next farming season. Oh yes, spooky season comes with serious horsepower. In Zuid, Holland, D-Terp squashbackers deploy a mechanical harvester that scoops, lifts, and lines up Halloween pumpkins like magic. With padded claws and conveyor belts, it processes over 5,000 gourds per day without bruising, saving time, labor, and a whole lot of sore backs. Across Florida and California, growers harvest millions of tons of oranges each year. These leading states combine skilled labor and agriculture technology to supply fresh fruit and juice nationwide. For market sales, oranges are often hand-picked to protect their appearance. Fruit destined for juice production may be machine harvested, allowing farms to save time while handling large volumes efficiently. Effective crop protection requires both speed and precision. The Ultra Air Blast sprayer distributes chemicals evenly across large fields, ensuring excellent plant coverage while reducing spraying time and improving overall application efficiency. High-capacity nut harvesting becomes remarkably efficient with the Tenius harvester. Powered by a 4.0 horsepower diesel engine, it harvests up to 9 trees per minute with a single operator, while its continuous unloading bunker keeps operations running without interruption. Welcome to Languedoc, France, where the Pellenc Optimum grape harvester turns vineyard rows into a symphony of precision. With a capacity of 3 tons per hour, it uses soft-touch separators to protect every grape. At its core is the Easy Touch control system, a touchscreen interface that lets operators adjust settings on the fly with just a tap. GPS guidance, terrain response, and fuel-saving algorithms cut diesel use by 43%. Built for narrow rows and steep slopes, it's the smart, sustainable choice for the modern winegrower. Large-scale carrot harvesting is handled efficiently by the Duolf Veggies. Equipped with a 175 horsepower engine, it harvests 3 rows simultaneously and processes up to 25 tons of carrots per hour while lifting, cleaning, and loading the crop in one continuous operation. Transplanting mature trees becomes far more efficient with the DEM transplanter. Designed to handle root balls measuring from 150 to 300 centimeters, it simplifies tree relocation while protecting root systems and improving transplant success. Advanced harvesting technology helps growers handle large watermelon harvests with greater efficiency. By streamlining collection and transport, it minimizes manual effort while keeping harvesting operations fast and organized. Hold up, turf just went robotic. On Canadian sod farms in Ontario, the Robomax GD slices, stacks, and palletizes grass like a factory on wheels. Using an automated blade, it cuts precise strips. Then a robotic arm collects 5 rolls at once and builds perfect pyramids. With over 300 pallets per day, it reduces manual labor, fuel use, and soil disturbance. Lawn care just met the future. Handling heavy bales is made simple with the D14 bale handler. Compatible with tractors from 80 horsepower, it efficiently manages bales measuring 75 to 120 centimeters using its own hydraulic system, making loading, stacking, and transport faster and more reliable. Autonomous weed control is becoming a reality with BlueBob, using artificial intelligence to identify unwanted plants. This innovative robot removes weeds without herbicides, helping farmers reduce chemical use while supporting healthier and more sustainable crop production. Extreme terrain requires specialized equipment, and the Menzi Muck AG is built for exactly that. Capable of operating on steep slopes, in water up to 2.5 meters deep, and across muddy ground, it delivers a lifting force of 9.5 tons while matching the performance of much larger excavators. Oh snap! Raking never looked this elegant. In Lower Bavaria, the Krone Swadro TC 1250 and 1370 powered by 180 horsepower tractors sweep meadows clean, with synchronized 4-rotor finesse. Spanning up to 13.7 meters. They shape perfect windrows ready for baling. With less leaf loss and minimal soil contact, they boost forage quality while reducing wear and fuel use. Creating uniform planting beds becomes easier with the Grimm GH6 Eco. Powered by a 150 horsepower engine, it forms up to 6 ridges in a single pass, improving soil aeration and providing ideal conditions for crop establishment. Advanced technology is at the heart of the Fendt Ideal 9T combine harvester. Intelligent sensors, automated harvesting functions, and an ergonomic joystick help maximize productivity while maintaining consistent performance throughout the harvest season. So fresh, it's almost cinematic. At George Perry's farm in California's Central Valley, workers hand-cut ripe watermelons and load them onto cushioned conveyors. Each fruit is sorted and boxed with zero bruising. With over 500,000 melons picked per season, this method preserves flavor, reduces damage, and keeps every melon sweet from field to fridge. Versatility and precision come together in the Primera DMC cultivator. Equipped with an advanced coulter and chisel system, it adapts to conventional, minimum tillage, and direct seeding operations while creating ideal conditions for accurate seed placement. And finally, pumpkin gold is born. In Styria's fertile plains, the Moti harvester crushes gourds, extracts seeds, and separates flesh in one non-stop flow. Built for seed production, it processes over 3,000 pumpkins daily with minimal energy use. This is how Austria produces premium oil seeds, clean, efficient, and rooted in sustainable farming. For more than 30 years, the Oxbow Pixel Bob harvester has helped farmers harvest green beans, butter beans, and southern peas with greater efficiency. By reducing labor requirements and maintaining consistent productivity, it remains a reliable solution for large-scale vegetable farming. Now this is poultry with precision. In Ontario, the Apollo Gen 2 glides into barns and uses rotating brushes to guide chickens onto soft belts without stress. It collects 7,000 birds per hour, reducing injuries by over 50% compared to manual catching, making it faster, cleaner, and more humane for both flock and farmer. Sustainable vineyard management becomes easier with the Vitibot electric robot. Fully powered by electricity, it performs soil cultivation, vineyard maintenance, and precision field operations while reducing emissions and supporting environmentally friendly farming practices. Built for demanding field conditions, Titan spreaders handle semi-solid manure, compost, and organic waste with impressive efficiency. Their robust construction, excellent stability, and high ground clearance allow them to operate smoothly across rough terrain while delivering accurate material distribution. Addressing labor shortages in orchards, the Kiwi picking robot from Robotics Plus delivers fast and accurate harvesting. Designed to match the productivity of 2 human workers, it helps growers improve efficiency while ensuring fruit is picked carefully and consistently. Whoa! This machine sorts eggs like jewels. In Hubei, the BGDX600 uses infrared sensors to detect cracks and dirt, grading 60,000 eggs per hour into size-specific lanes. With auto-packing arms, it eliminates human error while maintaining hygiene and ensuring top-tier quality from coop to carton. Precision weed control reaches a new level with the Garford electric weeder. Using advanced camera technology and video analysis, it identifies and removes weeds while protecting nearby crops, reducing herbicide use and improving field management. Designed for both productivity and convenience, the Orbis header delivers impressive field performance. With a transport width of just 3 meters, automatic transport protection, and rapid setup, it minimizes downtime and keeps harvesting operations running efficiently.